Hello friends, Namaskaram, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Erudamic. My name is Neha Shabadin and today we are going to solve a biology case-based question. And the question is from the chapter How do organisms reproduce? So let us solve the given case-based question. Reproduction is a process by which organisms increase their populations. The rate of birth and death in a given population will determine its size. The size of a human population is a cause of concern for many people. So, this is the paragraph. Now, let us solve the given question. The first question is that Abhishek has two daughters and one son. To avoid further unwanted pregnancy, he undergoes a surgical treatment. What is the process called? Option A, tubectomy. Option B, vasectomy. Option C, appendectomy. And option D, bypass surgery. So the surgical treatment that the men do is called as vasectomy. So option B, vasectomy, is the correct answer. Now let us solve the second question. The graph below shows the change in the hormonal level in a female during a month. What is a normal time period for menstruation to last in one cycle? So we have to find here what is the normal time period for menstruation to last in one cycle. So the normal time period for menstruation is about 2 to 8 days it would last. So option D, 2 to 8 days, is the correct answer. Now let us solve the fourth question. What happens if the fallopian tubes are blocked and ovulated eggs are prevented from reaching the uterus? So what is the question? The question is asked, what would happen if the fallopian tube, okay, or the oviduct is blocked? So what happened? The ovulated eggs are prevented from reaching the uterus. So if the ovulated eggs are prevented from reaching uterus, then what happened? Fertilization may occur, but implantation in the uterus would not occur. So option A, fertilization may occur but no implantation occurs in the uterus. So now let us solve the next question. The next question is that according to the survey conducted in 2010-2012, the graph depicts the sex ratio in Haryana. The ratio of child sex ratio was found to be lower than the expected. So we can see that the female is less in the 3 years. So what does this phenomena indicate? What could be the possible reason for such difference in the child sex ratio? So there can be the ratio of the child sex ratio was found to be very lower. The female born was very less. So what is this reason for this? Is it option A, sexually transmitted disease, or is because of no use of contraceptives, or is it because of female feticides, or D, hormonal imbalance? Option C, female feticide, is the correct answer. Now let us solve the last question. The last question is that match the following by choices given. So we have to match the following. So what is the first group is category of contraceptive and the name of contraceptive which is used. So the first is by changing the hormonal balance of the body, so the eggs are not released and fertilization cannot occur. So hormonal balance. So what does change? What would change the hormonal balance? Option B, pills would be able to change the hormonal balance. So one would match with B. Now the second is mechanical barrier, so that the sperm does not reach the egg. So what is the mechanical barrier? Condoms, the use of condoms. So option C. So option 2 matches with option C. Now the device placed in the uterus to prevent pregnancy. So the device out of all of this is copper T. So option 3 matches with option E. Now fourth is a surgical blocking of vas deferens in male. What is a surgical blocking? So in male it is called as vasectomy, option D, and the surgical blocking of fallopian tube in female, it is called as tubectomy, that is option A. So which option would matches to our answer that we think of? It is option D. 1 is matching to B, 2 is matching to C, 3 matches to E, 4 matches to D, and at last 5 matches to A. So this is all for today. Thank you.